The Sunnytown Day program. A place where people gather for connection with their community. And where Paulina believes she's found a love connection with a movie star. But has this small-town girl really found her leading man? Or is this little birdie caught in a cat's claw? My name is Eva Eldorado, and I'm the world's greatest cyber detective. Today, I'm going to spin you a tale of love, money, and lies. I call this the case of the catfishing Canary. Catfishing, the creation of a fictitious profile or fake identity with the intent of deception, usually to mislead a victim online.
Hey, Paulina. Your aura is totally glowing. Did something amazing happen?
Hey, Venus. I was just texting my boyfriend.
Boyfriend? Since when?
It's new. He's straight out of a Jane Austen novel. He's my Mr. Darcy.
Mr. Darcy, huh? Spill the tea. Did you meet him at the bookstore?
No, online. He's an actor. Wanna see?
Whoa, isn't that Connor Canary? He's like a super famous actor.
And super sweet. We've connected on such a deep level.
How long have you been talking to him?
A week, but it feels like forever. Listen to this. Girlfriend, I'm thinking about you. Love, Cece. Isn't that romantic?
Sure, but a week.
We have so much in common. Our first pets had the same name. His favorite animal was my school mascot, and we both grew up on streets named after trees. Aren't those amazing coincidences?
In the shadowy world of cybercrime, we call coincidences flags. Looks like Venus is picking up on what we in the biz call yellow flags. Those things that make you go, before you're hit with a red flag. An A-list actor on a free online dating site? Those coincidences sound a lot like answers to security questions. When it comes to cyber love, things and people aren't always what they seem. Let's see if Venus can help Paulina spot the flags before she gets her heart broken. Or worse.
Paulina, I know this is like super exciting.
Don't worry, Venus. I'm being safe. We're meeting tonight in public, at a restaurant. Tonight's gonna be perfect.
What's up?
Oh, Connor has to cancel. His mom's really sick. Of course, I can help, my love.
Help with what?
Oh, he just needs to borrow some money right away for his mom's medicine. I'm going to the bank to send it now.
Paulina, wait! Why would a successful movie star need you to pay for his mom's medicine? Are you sure he's the real Connor Canary?
Of course he is. I think. But how can I be sure?
Awesome question. We can start with a simple online search. So, my favorite movie site says that Connor is in Romania shooting a movie.
Romania?
And his mom passed away 5 years ago.
Ugh. You're never getting any money from me because no medicine is strong enough to bring your mom back from the dead. Goodbye. Never using dating sites again.
Just because there are bad apples out there doesn't mean dating apps can't work. You just need to know how to use them the right way. We'll narrow your search filters, stick to people who don't live far away, and always be careful what personal info you share on your profile. No address or phone numbers.
Oh, and must love books.
Right on. Let's see.
Oh, Byron. I know him. He owns the pet shop next to the bookstore. He's so nice. Like Dr. Dolittle.
Ooh, a doctor. Righteous. Let's see if he's a match.
Favorite book? Well, that's a hard one. It's a little old school, but I really like Dr. Dolittle.
I love that book too. What was your favorite character?
Looks like Paulina found a genuine leading man. Fortunately, she didn't send Connor Catfish any money. From now on, she'll be cautious with personal information and make sure an online fella is exactly who he says he is. So if you think you may have been scammed or aren't sure if something's the real deal, reach out to someone you trust, your service coordinator or provider, and see what they think. The more eyes on a case, the better. Remember, in the world of cybercrime, the regional center is on your side. Be smart, stay safe, and if something doesn't seem right, speak up.